How to enable or disable keyboard button on navigation bar on the Samsung Galaxy A15 or 16. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, we scroll down and then tap on keyboard list in default. Now at the bottom here, tap on keyboard button on navigation bar. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. When it is on, you can see on the keyboard here, it shows a button. You can tap on that button to perform various functions. If I switch it off, then there is no keyboard button on the bottom corner here in the navigation bar. You can have the button on the left hand side or on the right hand side of the navigation bar. So if I go in here and turn it on, and if I tap on the left hand side panel, I can choose to have it display on the right hand side. So here it will display it on the right hand side. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.